Okay, today I'm introing this video, and I've just been watching Stranger Things, but we're going to interview the animals.
A few moments later.
Puppies! Here they come. I see yous. Attacking me. They're attacking me. You good? Elf, Batman, Biscuit. There is the Batman. The specimen whose eyes are a wee bit far apart. But you're just normal, aren't you? Interview? Oh, don't eat the mic. Interview. Oh, he's going for the microphone. Interview. Not you. The wonderful Christmas tree. Tim, do I interview? Hello, sir. What do you got to say? What you got to say, Tim? Absolutely nothing. Tails, how you doing? You good? It's a little bro Tails. Yep. You good? Your muddy area to walk about in? You good? Oh. You're sniffing the camera. Oh. Okay, you may wonder why I'm in my room again with my Christmas tree there. This is the end of some random video I'm outroing, so yeah, goodbye. And I got some new mini lavalier mics. Pretty good.